It's another day and another live house tour with me. Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Marino from BA Domingo Realty and Construction Corporations. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Newville Townhomes. It is a two-story townhouse and ang kagandahan, ang ating tagline dito, sulit pag complete. Tara guys, let's do a house tour. Itong ating Astrid regular unit, mga friendship, has approximate floor area of 60.40 square meters and the lot area of 52 square meters. So, ito po ang ating car garage. As what you can see, naka-overhead na po ito, mga friend. Ayan. This is the actual turnover po natin. So, wala na tayo ipapagawa dahil complete na to. Naka-sliding na po ang ating door. Ang ating window with grills na po yan. Naka-double lock na po ang door natin. Okay? And fully painted walls with 30 by 30 tiles. At itong ating kitchen sink, meron na rin po ito, and then kitchen cabinet upon turnover. So here in ground floor, ayan, meron na po yung complete fixture na po yan upon turnover. Okay? Dito naman tayo sa service area. Napakalawak mga friendship ang ating service area. Ayan, this serves as your laundry area, dirty kitchen. It's up to you. So let's go upstairs mga friend. So kung pipili talaga tayo ng bahay, mas maganda yung nandun na lahat. Kasi dito sa Newville, complete pa ang amenities natin dito. High ceiling din to mga friendship. Kaya no worries po dahil maaliwalas po siya. And upon turnover, ito po ang ating second floor dahil meron na po itong vinyl tiles. Dito sa second floor ay meron pa pong 3 bedrooms. So let's go first here. This is our bedroom number 1. So naka-sliding na po ang ating window, may lagayan ng aircon, fully painted na po ang walls natin. And this is our bedroom number 2 here. Naka-sliding window, may lagayan ng aircon, and fully painted walls na rin. At dito din sa second floor ay meron pa tayong isang toilet and bath. Same yung size niya doon sa ground floor. Complete fixture na rin yan. And this is our master's bedroom, very spacious, fully painted walls. Ayan, naka-sliding na rin po ang ating window dito. At ang kagandahan, meron kang access to the toilet and bath. So no need to go outside. And meron ka rin ditong mini balcony outside. Okay, so may balcony ka dyan, mga friendship. If you are looking for a property, yung wala ka nang poproblemahin, sulit na sulit dahil complete ang turnover. Complete pa ang amenities dito, mga friend. Kaya, what are you waiting for? Message us today for more details of computation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye! Ha? Ma'am!